Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Here is the world's smallest 4K portable projector, LG Cinebeam. Is this gadget actually worth buying in 2024? Let's start by unboxing the LG Cinebeam. As you open the box, you're greeted with a compact, sleek device that's unlike any projector you've seen before. It's small enough to fit in your hand, yet it's packed with powerful features. The design immediately stands out. A unique rotating stand doubles as a handle, making it easy to carry and adjust the projection angle. This multi-purpose design element is not only functional but adds a cool, modern aesthetic. Taking a closer look, the Cinebeam's build quality is top-notch. The projector features a metallic finish with an industrial, sculptural look that feels premium. The lens is neatly positioned at the front, with cooling vents on the bottom and a rubber foot to keep it securely in place. Around the back, you'll find essential ports, HDMI for external sources like laptops or game consoles, USB for charging devices, and a DC input for power. There's also an infrared receiver for the remote control, which, by the way, feels just as premium as the projector itself. Setting up the Cinebeam is a breeze. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. The projector comes with built-in smart features, so you don't even need an external device to start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, they're all pre-installed and ready to use. What's more, the projector automatically adjusts the keystone and focus as soon as you turn it on. No need to mess with manual settings, it's all done for you, making sure you get a perfect image every time. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the image quality. The Cinebeam projects a sharp 4K image, boasting a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. Even in a dimly lit room, the picture is crisp and clear, with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. You might wonder how such a tiny projector can deliver such high-quality visuals. Well, LG has packed advanced tech into this small device, allowing it to project an image that looks just as good as a large TV. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or even browsing the web, the experience is immersive and enjoyable. While the Cinebeam does have a built-in speaker, it's more of a backup. It's decent for casual viewing, but if you want the full experience, connecting it to an external Bluetooth speaker is the way to go. Fortunately, setting this up is simple, and the projector supports multiple connectivity options. Whether you're using a wireless speaker or plugging in headphones, the Cinebeam has you covered. And let's not forget the AirPlay feature, which makes streaming from your Apple devices a breeze. One of the biggest advantages of the Cinebeam is its portability. At this size, it's incredibly easy to take with you wherever you go. Planning a movie night in the backyard, no problem. Want to watch the big game at a tailgate party? This projector makes it possible. It's designed to be versatile, with features like high-altitude mode for use in mountainous regions. And thanks to its compact design and automatic adjustments, you'll actually use it more often than larger, bulkier projectors. So, is the LG Cinebeam worth it? Absolutely. This tiny projector delivers big on quality, convenience, and design. While it may come with a premium price tag, you're paying for a unique product that combines portability with 4K resolution, something few other projectors can offer. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, the Cinebeam is sure to impress. So, what do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and unboxings. Product link in description. And click the product link to buy the product. If you want more latest updates on new gadgets, make sure to subscribe our channel. If you like the video, like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.